Hello everyone, welcome back to AgroStar. Today, we're hopping into the world of rabbit farming, a fascinating and potentially profitable agricultural venture. Whether you're looking for a small-scale backyard operation or considering commercial production, rabbits offer a unique opportunity. They're efficient converters of feed, produce valuable meat and fur, and even excellent manure for your garden. So, let's learn how to successfully raise these versatile animals. Rabbit farming, also known as cuniculture, offers several attractive benefits. Rabbits grow quickly, reaching market weight in a short period, typically 10 to 12 weeks. They also have a high reproductive rate, producing multiple litters per year. This rapid turnover means a quicker return on investment. Rabbit meat is lean, high in protein, and low in cholesterol, making it a healthy alternative to traditional meats. Their fur is also a valuable byproduct, and their manure is an excellent, nutrient-rich fertilizer for organic gardening. Plus, their relatively small size makes them suitable for diverse farming setups. Before you bring home your first rabbits, understanding their basic needs is crucial. First, housing is key. Rabbits need clean, secure, and well-ventilated housing. Cages made of wire mesh are common, providing good hygiene and preventing disease. Make sure they are protected from predators in extreme weather. A minimum size of 2.53 square feet per rabbit is recommended, with nesting boxes for during kindling. Second, consider the climate. Rabbits prefer moderate temperatures, ideally between 50 to 75 Fahrenheit. Good air circulation is essential, and protection from drafts, direct sunlight, and excessive humidity is vital for their health. Third, select the right breeds suited to your purpose. For meat, consider New Zealand White, Californian, or Flemish Giant. For fur, Angora is popular. Dual-purpose breeds like Rex offer both. Successful rabbit farming depends on diligent care and management. For nutrition, provide a balanced diet primarily of commercial rabbit pellets. Supplement this with fresh hay, like Timothy or alfalfa, for fiber, and ensure clean, fresh water is available at all times. Avoid sudden dietary changes. When it comes to breeding, rabbits can start around 5 to 6 months of age. A doe can have 4 to 6 litters per year. You'll want to monitor breeding cycles and provide quiet, comfortable nesting boxes for kindling. For health and hygiene, maintain strict cleanliness in cages and feeding equipment to prevent diseases. Regularly check rabbits for signs of illness like lethargy, diarrhea, or sneezing. Isolate sick animals immediately. A clean environment is your best defense against common ailments. Finally, while not traditional weed management, preventing harmful plants from entering their diet and ensuring their living environment is clean and free of contaminants is important for their well-being. The typical market age for meat rabbits is around 10 to 12 weeks, when they reach an optimal weight of 4 to 5 pounds. Fur can be harvested by shearing or plucking, depending on the breed. Beyond meat and fur, don't forget the rabbit manure. It's a cold fertilizer, meaning it can be applied directly to plants without burning them, making it a valuable resource for enriching your garden soil. Rabbit farming can be a rewarding and sustainable venture. With proper housing, nutrition, care, and a keen eye on hygiene, you can successfully raise healthy rabbits and benefit from their rapid growth and multiple products. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share AgroStar with your farming community. Leave your questions or experiences in the comments below, we're eager to hear from you. Happy rabbit farming, and see you in the next video.